Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture for Apex Legends. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your profile picture on Apex Legends, go and tap on the profile avatar at the top left-hand corner. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this profile page. Tap on your profile avatar again right in front of your name and tap on Change Avatar. Now, select from the avatar list and choose the avatar you'd like to change to and give it a tap. Now tap on Use after you are done selecting, and you can also choose your avatar frame. Since I only have one at the moment, let's just leave it as it is and get to the main homepage. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that your profile picture for Apex Legends has been changed and it is available at the upper left. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.